If you think indoor plants always help your health, think again. Some plants can actually make your allergies worse, triggering sneezing, itchy eyes, and even breathing issues. But here's the good news. There are specific indoor plants that are allergy-safe, low in pollen, and can even help create a cleaner, fresher indoor environment. In this video, I'm revealing 10 of the best allergy-safe indoor plants that not only look beautiful, but help you breathe easier every single day. Snake plant. The snake plant is often called one of the toughest houseplants on the planet, and it's also one of the safest for allergy sufferers. What makes it special is that it produces virtually no airborne pollen, which means it won't trigger sneezing or irritation like some flowering plants can. Instead of releasing allergens, it quietly works in the background by absorbing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from the air. Another huge benefit? It releases oxygen at night. Most plants do the opposite, but the snake plant actually improves air quality while you sleep, making it perfect for bedrooms. Its thick, upright leaves also trap dust particles from the air. When you wipe them occasionally, you're literally removing allergens from your environment. Care-wise, it's almost impossible to kill. It thrives in low light, needs very little water, and can survive neglect, making it perfect if you don't want high-maintenance plants that might develop mold from overwatering. For allergy sufferers, that's key. Overwatering is one of the biggest hidden triggers because it leads to mold growth in soil. So if you want a plant that's stylish, nearly indestructible, and allergy-friendly, the snake plant is one of the best choices you can bring into your home. Spider plant is one of the most beginner-friendly plants and one of the safest for people with allergies. Unlike many flowering plants, it produces very little pollen indoors, making it a great choice for sensitive environments like bedrooms, kitchens, and even nurseries. What makes it stand out is its ability to reduce airborne pollutants and dust. Its long, arching leaves naturally collect particles floating in the air. When cleaned regularly, they help reduce irritants inside your home. Another reason allergy sufferers love spider plants is that they help balance humidity. Dry indoor air can irritate your nose and throat, especially if you already have allergies. This plant helps create a more comfortable breathing environment. It's also incredibly easy to grow. Spider plants adapt well to different light conditions and don't require constant attention. Plus, they produce baby plants, also known as pups, which you can propagate and multiply easily. That means you can spread cleaner air throughout your home without buying more plants. Most importantly, spider plants don't create the kind of heavy fragrances or airborne particles that can trigger allergic reactions. If you're just starting your plant journey and want something safe, forgiving, and beneficial, this is one of the smartest plants you can choose. Areca Palm. If your indoor air feels dry or irritating, the Areca Palm might be exactly what you need. This plant acts as a natural humidifier, releasing moisture into the air through its leaves. That's incredibly helpful for allergy sufferers because dry air can worsen symptoms like congestion, coughing, and sinus irritation. Unlike many outdoor plants, the Areca Palm doesn't release noticeable airborne pollen indoors. That makes it a safe and gentle option for sensitive households. Its soft, feathery fronds also help trap dust particles, reducing the number of irritants floating around your space. Visually, it brings a tropical, calming vibe to any room. But beyond aesthetics, it creates a more breathable environment, especially in air-conditioned spaces where dryness is common. Care is relatively simple. It prefers bright indirect light and moderate watering. The key is not to overwater, as soggy soil can lead to mold, one of the biggest allergy triggers. Placed in living rooms or corners, the Areca Palm can make your space feel fresher, softer, and more comfortable. If you struggle with dry air and want something that improves both your space and your breathing, this plant is a powerful addition. Bamboo palm. The bamboo palm is one of the best plants for people who want cleaner indoor air without the risk of allergens. It's naturally low in pollen and doesn't produce irritating fragrances, making it a safe choice for homes with allergy-sensitive individuals. One of its biggest advantages is its ability to filter indoor toxins while also improving air quality. Its leaves can capture airborne particles like dust, which you can easily remove by wiping them clean. This plant also adds a light, airy feel to your home. Its thin, elegant stems and soft leaves don't just look good, they help create a more breathable environment. Another benefit is its adaptability. It does well in moderate light and doesn't demand constant care, which reduces the risk of overwatering and mold buildup. For allergy sufferers, that's critical. Mold in plant soil is often more problematic than pollen itself. When placed in corners or living spaces, the bamboo palm works quietly to improve your environment without causing irritation. If you're looking for a plant that combines beauty, simplicity, and allergy safety, this is a solid choice. Boston fern. The Boston fern is a favorite for people who want to improve indoor air comfort naturally. Its biggest strength is its ability to increase humidity, which helps soothe dry skin, irritated sinuses, and scratchy throats, common issues for allergy sufferers. Unlike flowering plants, it doesn't release significant airborne pollen, making it a safer option for sensitive individuals. Its dense, feathery leaves also trap dust particles, reducing airborne irritants in your home. However, this plant does require a bit more attention than others. It loves moisture, so it needs regular watering and a humid environment. But here's the catch. Too much moisture without airflow can lead to mold. So it's important to keep a balance and ensure proper ventilation. Bathrooms or kitchens are ideal spots because they naturally have higher humidity levels. When cared for correctly, the Boston fern can make your indoor air feel noticeably fresher and more comfortable. For anyone dealing with dry air-related allergies, this plant can be a game changer. 6. Aloe, vera aloe. Vera is more than just a healing plant. It's also a great choice for allergy-friendly homes. It produces little to no pollen indoors and doesn't release strong scents, making it safe for people with sensitivities. 1. Of its biggest benefits is its ability to help remove airborne chemicals commonly found in household products. Its compact size makes it perfect for small spaces like desks, windowsills, and bedrooms. Unlike many plants, aloe vera prefers dry conditions. That's actually a huge advantage for allergy sufferers because it reduces the risk of mold growth in the soil. Overwatering is one of the biggest hidden allergy triggers, and aloe naturally helps you avoid that mistake. It also requires minimal care, just bright light and occasional watering. Simple, clean, and effective, aloe vera is perfect for anyone who wants a low-risk, low-maintenance plant that supports a healthier indoor environment. Dracaena. Plants are known for their striking appearance, but they also play a role in improving indoor air quality. Their long leaves naturally trap dust and airborne particles, helping reduce allergens in your space. They are also low in pollen and don't produce irritating fragrances, making them suitable for allergy-prone environments. Dracaena plants are great for adding height and style to a room without increasing allergy risks. They prefer indirect light and moderate watering. Like many allergy-safe plants, the key is avoiding overwatering to prevent mold. With proper care, they remain clean, elegant, and beneficial. If you want a plant that looks premium while still being safe for sensitive airways, Dracaena is a strong option. The parlor palm has been a classic indoor plant for generations, and for good reason. It's gentle, low maintenance, and very unlikely to trigger allergies. This plant produces minimal pollen and thrives indoors without needing intense sunlight. It also helps maintain a comfortable humidity level, which can reduce dryness-related irritation. Its soft, delicate leaves make it ideal for bedrooms, offices, and quiet spaces because it grows slowly. It's easy to manage and doesn't require frequent repotting or heavy care. For anyone looking for a calm, safe, and reliable indoor plant, the parlor palm is a timeless choice. Golden Pothos is one of the easiest plants you'll ever own and one of the safest for allergy sufferers. It produces very little pollen and thrives in a wide range of conditions. Its trailing vines help capture dust particles, reducing airborne irritants over time. It's also incredibly forgiving. Even if you forget to water it, it will bounce back, reducing the chances of mold-related issues, perfect for shelves, hanging baskets, or desks. It adds greenery without adding risk. If you want a plant that's both beautiful and practically indestructible, this is it. 10. Rubber plant. The rubber plant is a bold statement plant with large, glossy leaves that do more than just look good. These leaves help trap dust and airborne particles, making your indoor air feel cleaner. It's also low in pollen and doesn't produce strong scents, making it suitable for allergy-sensitive homes. Its size makes it especially effective in larger spaces like living rooms. With proper care, bright light, and controlled watering, it remains a powerful and safe addition to your indoor space. So there you have it. 10 allergy-safe indoor plants that don't just decorate your home. They help you breathe better. But remember, plants only help if you care for them properly. Avoid overwatering, keep leaves clean, and maintain good airflow. Now I want to know, which of these plants are you adding to your home first? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more plant tips that actually make a difference. See you in the next video.